Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 SW in the active specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower, done under 19,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.